this tutorial.
Your car.
Template is big.
So what I'm going to do now, it's being drilled.
What's going on, everyone? It's your boy T-Rex here again, and today we are gonna make a template, and I am going to install this toggle switch and this missile, whatever you call it, flap cover, a flap cover, and they call this a missile toggle switch for some reason. Maybe it's for launching a missile on your car. But as for today, we are going to be installing it on my car. But before that, I just made a template. So obviously you're going to have to take your iDrive trim off and then trace the templates accordingly. Over that, I took this off. We are not going to need this, but we will be needing the switches, the wiring for this one here. And I will be installing 6 of these, and I'll be making a custom panel for this toggle switch. So I just made a template. Now I'm tracing it on an ABS plastic. I think it's about 2 or 3 millimeter plastic. So now I'm just gonna clean it off. I already cut the basic square, and I'm just gonna trim the sides to make it even cleaner and drill the holes in it. Alright, let's get going. Obviously, safety come first. If you got overall, you might as well wear it. As you guys know, I'm back in college studying car mechanic, so you're gonna need your safety goggles or glass, whatever, if you have any of those lying around, and some safety gloves. And for me to do this, I'm gonna have to use a Dremel. I'm gonna hold it on my legs like that, basically trace it slowly. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that now. Right, it's gonna be noisy, so bear with me. That bit is cleaned. Now we're gonna do this other side here, and I'll show you the finished product. The correct tip would be to use a tape to hold your paper template. This one is just a paper template to hold it in place and basically trace it. As you see here, I've done. If you're gonna do this side, tape it on this end, but now I'm gonna have to do this side, so I'm gonna tape it on the other end, like so. Make sure it's secured and doesn't move, because you don't want to be screwing this up, because you're gonna be transferring your template on the USB plastic. There we are. And now I'm gonna start cleaning the edges, and I'll show you that once I'm done. Right, template is being traced, clean up sides, every edges. And now what we're going to do is drill the holes. that will go for the hydride trim. Alright, I don't think I'll show you that. Let me see. Right, commence drilling. Right, all the drill has been done. Time to fit it.